Hold steady on that bracket.
Drilling now.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with fastening.
All right, easy now. Lowering slowly. Watch the brackets on the right. Clearances look good. It's seated. Hit the bolts.
Reach 275 foot-pounds. Confirmed. Noted.
Applying indicator stripe now.
Micro adjusting now.
Coming in, splines engaged. We're seated.
Confirmed. Pass me the first bolt.
Alignment is good. Engaging the CV joint now.
Check the torque specs on panel 3. Differential aligned, locking the jack in place.
Copy that. Driving the mounting bolts now.
Brackets are clear for the control arms.
Verify the resistance values before we tie this down.
Everything checks out according to the master schematic.
With the batteries secured and connections torqued, the master disconnect is engaged, bringing the vehicle's 24-volt system to life. Torque the fuel feed line to spec and initiate the pressure check. Confirmed. Holding steady at 75 psi. No leaks detected.
The multi-stage filtration system protects the engine from ingesting dust and debris. We use smoke testing.
Check the clearance here, make sure it's per spec. Looks tight. We need to wrap this section now.
The high-capacity pump generates 3,000 psi. Technicians meticulously route the hoses before filling.
The specialized military driving position takes shape, featuring a heavy-duty adjustable seat and controls designed to military ergonomics. As the assembly completes, the compartment stands ready, equipped with seating for 9, organized storage, and all systems integrated.
Ramp coming down. Stand clear. Contact. Beginning raise sequence now.
Seals engaged, pressure holding steady.
Initiate sequence. Closing left hatch.
Closing center.
Closing right. Compression check complete.
Opening, opening.
Verified clearance.
Initiating shutter cycle. Closing now.
Shutters confirmed closed. Cycling open. Clear view.
Comms check 1-2. Audio clear.
Loud and clear. Initiating RF transmission sweep now.
Confirmed. Signal integrity holding across all bands.
All right, run the sequence on sensor 4.
Sequence initiated. Stand by for discharge confirmation. System armed.
Hold it steady right there. All right, secure the top left bolt first. Watch the gap on the bottom.
Make sure you coat that bracket thoroughly.
Yeah, I'm getting the sealant on now. Check the latch on this bin. Pins are set, feed tray connected. Cycling the action now. Clear. System check, traverse right, good. Threading the 50 caliber belt now. Guide it through the armored channel. Make sure it seats properly in the feeder.
Positive pressure is holding steady. External smoke confirmed. Interior atmosphere remains clear. System operational.
This compact generator allows critical surveillance missions without the noise or fuel consumption of the main engine, significantly extending operational endurance.
Fiber link secured on rack 3.
Running diagnostics now. We have stable connectivity to the tactical network.
And Blue Force tracker is online. Good work, team.
Antenna secured.
Antenna secured. Routing the armored cable through the hull penetration now.
Loading tactical overlays and initiating INS calibration sequencers. The system allows for seamless transition from full illumination to covert blackout, and finally, invisible infrared.
Torque wrench verified on wheel hub.
Hydraulics clear, no seepage.
Confirmed. Recording in the system now.
Toggling circuit 47, check voltage at the harness.
Voltage is nominal. Systems check complete.
Confirm pass on all electrical integration points.
Engine oil at 7.5 gallons. Levels verified. Copy that.
Recording data and proceeding to the transmission fluid fill.
Oil pressure stabilizing. Voltages look good. All parameters nominal.
Exhaust is clearing up. We are green across the board.
The hydraulic system is developing adequate pressure. As the ABS engages, we're seeing even heat distribution across all 8 assemblies.
How are the vibration measurements looking on the crew compartment?
Levels remain well within specifications, stabilizing as expected.
Weapon systems online, watch the current draw. We're past 200 amps, alternator holding voltage steady.
Intercom check, all stations. Radio checks initiated.
Commander copies, VHF and UHF bands reporting green.
External.
Initiating hatch sequence in 3, 2, 1.
Pressure dipped momentarily.
And recovered. System stabilizing nominal overpressure.
Comprehensive testing ensures the vehicle functions reliably. The AC maintains 75 degrees Fahrenheit in desert heat.
We are holding steady at max depth. Pressure checks are good.
Confirmed. Sensors report 0 water intrusion across all compartments.
As you can see, the filter is completely loaded with fine desert dust. But crucially, the intake side remains pristine.
Extensive mobility testing validates the Stryker's ability to accompany tracked infantry fighting vehicles across challenging tactical terrain.
Inspection complete on section Gamma. Borescope confirms no spalling. Witness panel is clean. Protection level verified.
How are the comms checks looking?
Radio checks good on all bands. Systems are go.
Final documentation uploaded. Vehicle is approved for delivery.
Check the as-built drawings against the deviation log. This revision reflects the armor plate change. It's approved.
We stabilized right at 38,000 pounds.
Weight distribution is confirmed within limits. It meets air transport specs.
The final inspection is complete. It meets all contract specifications.
Excellent. We officially accept the transfer of ownership.
Check section 3. Are the optics secured?
Affirmative. Applying film now.
Tie downs inspected and logged.
Hold position. Engaging binders now. Tension check complete. Final inspection clear. Proceed when ready.
Scene 75. Factory to depot transport. The highway convoy moves critical military equipment.
Keep coming back slow. Easy.
Vehicle secured, start the inspection sweep.
All right, traverse the turret left. Check the stabilization hydraulics.
Hydraulic pressure is steady, passing the 5-point inspection.
Weapon system inspection complete. No malfunctions to report. Thermal engagements were accurate. The crew is qualified. Throttle up, maintain speed through the wash. All right, hard right, execute evasive maneuver now. Executing hard right, stabilizing. Contact right. Dismount, dismount, dismount. Moving.
With the integration of these new Strykers, we enhance our combat capabilities. We are now fully mission capable and ready to deploy worldwide. The multimeter reading here should be between 1.2 and 1.5 volts according to the manual.
Mine is reading 0.8.
Vehicle 4 kilo, green for deployment. Move to staging.
Systems check complete. Confirmed, rolling out.
Back it up slowly, maintaining center line.
Confirmed, watching the left side clearance.
Hold your position, setting the brakes now. Eagle Actual, this is Bravo 6. All vehicles are off the ramp, moving to waypoint 2.
Copy, Bravo 6. Proceed with caution. Ramp is down, go, go.
Establish security 50 meters out.
Moving to position, covering the left flank. Diagnostics clear on the stabilization.
Good. We need this Stryker mobile now. Tell the others we're ready to roll.
Hit it again with the impact wrench. These nuts are seized. Got it. Stand clear. We need to check that vision block soon as the wheel is on. She took some hits, but the armor held. All right, let's get these hydraulic lines replaced and weld this armor. We've got to get them back in the fight fast. We need to get this section washed down before the inspection team arrives. Copy that. Hey, make sure the hatches on vehicle 1 are secured.
Engines. Through depot-level maintenance, these combat-worn Strykers are completely overhauled. This resets their service life.
Uploading the new threat profiles now. Systems check complete.
Status reads green, Commander. We are ready for deployment.
This modification ensures seamless integration with your existing systems.
It's this partnership that strengthens our collective defense capabilities and interoperability.
The ballistic plates on the side skirts need reinforcement based on what we saw downrange.
We've upgraded the armor package specifically to address that vulnerability.
Focus on the heat-affected zone right here.
Okay, maintain the angle.
This schematic highlights the critical inspection points for the hydraulics. We cannot compromise on quality.
Integrating advanced manufacturing technologies improves efficiency and quality, balancing automation with the skilled human expertise our soldiers depend on. This sustains American industrial capability, supports working families and communities, and preserves the industrial base essential for national security.
When I was in Iraq, my life depended on this vehicle. Now, welding these holes, I know I'm protecting the next. This vehicle represents critical capability for our soldiers. And it represents the dedication of every person in this room.
The hybrid electric drive metrics look good, well within the silent mobility parameters.
And the directed energy counter drone successful?
The Stryker platform, mission versatility proven worldwide. From combat operations to humanitarian assistance.
We took these into combat in the early 2000s. With the reset programs and upgrades, they're still out there protecting the next generation.
Look at the projected energy requirements for the DE systems here.
Yeah.
That pushes the timeline out significantly based on current battery tech.
Balancing national defense requirements with environmental responsibility shows both missions can be achieved together.
We're committed to strengthening our community right here at home.
From factory tours to our veterans hiring initiatives, we're building the future workforce together.
As a veteran, finding a place where my skills translate was huge.
This company sees diversity as our greatest strength on the production line. Thank you.
As you can see, the new process improved our safety metrics by 15%.
We take personal ownership. Our commitment to excellence ensures that every soldier receives equipment built to the highest standard.
We know that if we don't protect ourselves, we can't build the equipment our soldiers need.
It's about making sure everyone goes home safe every day.
We feel the responsibility knowing soldiers depend on the welds.
The armor saved my crew. The armor's grateful for the protection.
The Stryker program is critical. It provides our forces with the protected mobility and infantry fighting capability required for modern.
Your dedication to building these vehicles is patriotic service. Because of your craftsmanship, our soldiers are coming home safely.
The program's legacy is measured not just in vehicles, but in lives protected.
I wouldn't be here without it.
To the dedicated team, thank you for delivering another state-of-the-art Stryker vehicle to our men and women.
From the motor pool to the front lines, these vehicles are now the shield and sword of the modern soldier, protecting generations to come.
That was intense, but the armor held up perfectly.
They promised us protection, and they delivered.
Full circle. This isn't just a program, it's an ongoing mission, adapting and improving to support national defense for decades to come.